AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean removes performance-robbing deposits from diesel fuel injectors to help restore horsepower and improve fuel economy. It's formulated for all types of diesel engines, including high-pressure common rail designs. Diesel Injector Clean is formulated to clean both the tough-to-remove internal diesel injector deposits surfacing in modern high-pressure common rail diesel engines and traditional carbonaceous deposits. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean features advanced chemistry that delivers concentrated strength to target internal diesel injector deposits and traditional carbonaceous deposits, helping to restore horsepower and operability to like-new conditions. Acceleration is improved, and with regular use, Diesel Injector Clean continues to enhance performance by keeping injectors clean. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean lubricates pumps and injectors to reduce wear. Ultra-low sulfur diesel provides significantly reduced lubricity, a critical property in controlling wear in fuel pumps and injectors. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean adds back the lubricity the fuel pump and injectors need, reducing wear and improving service life and saving time and money on maintenance costs. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean minimizes soot loading. Diesel Injector Clean's powerful formula cleans fuel injectors and piston rings for improved combustion and better sealing. It minimizes soot generated from incomplete combustion and helps keep soot out of the crankcase, reducing soot-related wear and engine oil viscosity increase. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean helps separate fuel and water. AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean is an alcohol-free product that protects fuel systems against water contamination. It helps prevent fuel-water emulsions so that separating filters can safely remove water before it reaches the injectors, where it can cause corrosion. Water can be drained easier, ensuring drivability. Key benefits of AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean: cleans dirty injectors, lubricates pumps and injectors to reduce wear, extends fuel filter life, improves fuel economy up to 8%, restores power and torque, reduces smoke and emissions, helps prolong time between EGR and DPF regenerations, combats fuel system corrosion, reduces downtime and maintenance costs, safe for use in all diesel fuels, including biodiesel, alcohol-free. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Diesel Injector Clean today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.